Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I've started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada, and also share my daily analysis on the forex pairs like Euro USD, USD Japanese Yen, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. So in this video I'll be analyzing the chart of Australian dollar, Canadian dollar for 3rd March 2021 Wednesday. So this analysis is for today only. Tomorrow I'll be coming down again with tomorrow's analysis. Okay, so let's jump to this screen. So you can see that right now after this big fall, market is going up. Market is making highs. High could not break the previous high. Higher low, again a higher low, again made a higher high, again made a higher high. So in comparison to this big fall, the trend is not that great. Okay, there is not much strength present in the market. Okay, just look at the trend, just try to understand the psychology of the market. If you in comparing to this fall, do you think buyers are dominating the market right now? No, buyers are not there. The steam, the buying pressure is missing, the steam is missing. Okay, let's switch to the 4 hours time frame. See, the just look at this big fall, just look at the candles. Okay, and just look at the buying power. Okay, so the power is missing. So what should we do then? Okay, at first I'll tell you that there is only two levels present in the market as of now. Okay, if you ask me, if you want to make some safe money from this forex pair, then only two levels are for available. The first is this particular zone which is acting as a support. Okay, if right now market is trading at 0.9867, if market comes down and hits this particular support zone, okay, and from here if you see some price rejection from below like this, okay, and if you see some good price reversal, you can initiate a buy position here. Okay, and your target will be this. First target will be this, then your second target will be this 0.9896. Okay, and in case market goes up like this, if market crawls and reaches this level, and if you see some good price rejection from above, if you see that sellers are not allowing the market to cross this level, and if market reverses from there, you can short the market here. Okay, so these two are the main levels for Australian dollar, Canadian dollar as of now available on the chart. And you and if you want, then you can initiate a sell position here, but I will not recommend it. Okay, because the trend is not clear for Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. This pair, as of now, the trend is not clear. At least to me, the trend is not clear. Okay, I'm a trader who trades from level to level. Okay, this is my discipline, and I believe that every trader should have some discipline. Okay, because without discipline, we cannot protect our capital. Okay, capital protection is the first and foremost duty of every trader. Therefore, only two levels, this and this. If you find this pair in this support zone, okay, and if you see some good price rejection from below, and if it reverses from here, buy. If it goes up, reverses from here, sell. Simple strategy. Okay, so this is it with the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar for 3rd March 2021. So tomorrow I'll be coming down again. See you again with tomorrow's analysis. So if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. If you want to check the analysis of other currency pairs, then you can check the forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel. And if you want to know more about me, you can also visit my website. The link is in the description. Thank you so much and please subscribe.